Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Mukesh and today we are going to dive into the creating a Docker file, building a Docker image and creating a container for a simple Hello World Python script. So let's get started. So let me share my screen first. So this is the code that I have written for a hello world.py. Okay. So what we'll have to be do is we have the two options to run this code, right? Either you can run it simple in your terminal and you can get all the output, right? Like hello world, welcome to my channel and please subscribe to my channel. So this is the Python script that we have created and we have running our terminal. But what if you want to run this Python script in your inside to Docker container, right? So for that we'll have to be build one Docker image and we have to be run it on inside the Docker. So for creating a Docker file, we have to be create one file for it with the name of Docker file, and then we have some instructions of command to instruct the Docker file. Okay, so this is the set of instruction Docker on how to build our image. Okay, and you have to be create the file name with the Docker file, like this should be always capital. And so this is the set of working directory to the app that we have to be copy in all the directory contents into the app, right? And then we'll have to be defined to run our the Python script. So this is the command that will run our Python script. Okay, so let me open terminal. So let me clear my screen first and let's build out the Docker image using the following command in the terminal, or if you are the window user, then you can put the same command into your command prompt. Okay, and make sure that you are in the same directory as your the Docker file. Okay, so we have to be create here using the command like sudo docker build -t and give your image name. So you can give any random image name. I am giving your hello world. Okay, hello world and image dot, right? So this is building the Docker image. So let's wait for some time. Now it's builded. Okay, so now you can see that inside the Docker images it has built with the name of hello world image, right? So let me clear my screen first and now let's run it. Okay, so this command tell the Docker to build an image tagged with the image name that I have given. So now let's run the Docker container from the image we just built with this command. Okay, so now run the Docker image sudo docker run hello world image. Okay, yeah, so now you can see we have just built the Docker image and run a container with the hello world Python script. So the Python script that we have created here, so the same things it is printing me here. So I am getting this output from inside the Docker. So we have built the uh, Docker image and controlled it, and then we have run this to get the output from the Python script. Okay. That's the wrap up for the quick Docker tutorial today. We covered creating a Docker file, building an image, and running a container. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share with your the fellow developers. And don't forget to subscribe for more Dockers and data science tutorials. Thanks for joining me today.